This is a Santoku knife. Unboxing. Knife is premium Damascus steel, issue 10 steel with 67 layers. Here's the user manual. The handle is G10 military grade. The knife is 3 metal mosaic pattern, 67 layers, and 3-stage Horn Bazoike method. So here I'm going to do a knife cutting test. I'm just going to cut apple, orange, and strawberry. I'm going to do several slices. Here's a clear view. Now I'm no chef, so and my wife's actually the one who normally cooks, but as you can tell, it cuts right through easily. Of course, I'm probably not doing the right angle either, so. Overall, this is a great knife, and I've also provided the 7 essentials in care for kitchen knives on the right. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe.